Republic Act 8750 is intended to minimize the numbers of injuries and deaths in road accidents. The law prohibits children below 6 years old from sitting in the front seat of any motor vehicle. No new motor vehicle shall be registered unless it is equipped with the proper seatbelt devices. For failing to wear seatbelt, the fine for a first-time violation is 250 pesos, 500 for the second violation, and 1,000 for succeeding violation, and a 1-week long suspension of the driver's license.
Buckle up. The law requiring motorists and their passengers to wear seatbelts. Drivers and front seat passengers of public and private motor vehicles are required to use their seatbelt devices, while inside running vehicles and drivers are also required to have their passengers strapped in. Failing to install seatbelts. The fine is 1,000 for the first offense, 2,000 for the second, and 3,000 for the third offense. A 3-month suspension of the certificate of registration for succeeding offenses. Vehicles, manufacturers, assemblers, distributors, or importers will be fined 5,000 for every unit found out. Seatbelts priority distribution and a 1-year suspension of their license. 10,000 for every unit, a 2-year suspension for the second offense, and 20,000 for the unit, and 5-year suspension for succeeding violations.
So if I were you, you better click it and not to tick it.